Hi everyone and welcome to Display Repair. What you've seen here is how to start a car with manual transmission, also known as a stick shift. When you know what you're doing, it takes about 30 seconds to do it all. But in this video, we're going to show you in detail, step by step, how you should do it. This is, of course, a very important part of learning how to drive a stick shift. If you don't know how to do this, you won't be able to drive it. So stay tuned.
DisplayRepair.com